Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to go through how to apply an ETA to travel to St. Kitts and Nevis. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, many countries nowadays are going for ETS because they really want to um, do some analysis, or you can say screening of incoming passengers regardless of their nationality. Like they might be coming from a non-visa required nation, but still some details they want to get in advance. Of course there are reasons. So guys, in front of you I've opened their official electronic border management system website. Here we are going to click on get started. Now you need to select which category you are. So let's say you're going as a foreign tourist, so you're going to click here. Now what are the things you need? Okay, another things like what you need: passport, photo, and you can use Visa, MasterCard and these cards to pay. Okay, and of course you need access to terms condition, you need to be agreed to. Now this is an optional to enter, get a giveaway and receive special offers, so it's not mandatory. If you are going alone, you'll click on individual. You need to select your country of residence. Okay, all right, so I select Canada. Next, it's asking to upload your passport page. You can also use webcam to scan it, but I'm just gonna upload this. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So after you complete uploading your passport and photo, you will come to contact where you will put your email. Okay, and then put address, emergency contact, that's optional, and you can add more than one emergency contact, and your occupation that you need to select. So I'm just doing a sample. This is also a sample. Email, whatever it is, but again, do it in the right way, not like this, because you're going to be notified on your email. Enter your neighborhood, city and country. I'm doing sample, but you do your exact address. Enter your neighborhood, city. Okay, I'm going to go through this and I'm going to see you in the next screen. Next to the trip information, purpose of travel, I select vacation, arrival details, arrive by air and by arriving by sea. So I select arriving by air, select airline. Wow. Origin of trip. Wow. They already have pre-populated details. Wow. Oh, this is departure detail. I'm sorry. Wow. Address. Where are you staying? From and this state. Okay, fine. Okay, I just picked one. This definitely South Independence Street. I'm sorry. Wow, this is like this automatically picked up the details. How many piece of luggage you are carrying? I select single. I select one, two. Which island you will be staying on? I select this. Any country you'll be traveling in the next 30 days prior to this. Okay, if you have any idea, have you any symptom? I select no. Are you bringing nuts, pharmaceutical, ammunition? merchandise, monitor instrument, 10,000 more. Okay. So now this is the declaration type. You will confirm, proceed, and then you will go to the next. So with where you are gonna pay for the payment. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. And once it is done, and you will get it by email. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.